Guys, welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Guys, let's look at this question and I first of all read it. If t is equals to tan half x, express Roman 1 cos x in terms of t, Roman 2 sin x in terms of t, Roman 3 hence solve the equation, and here is our equation. So guys, let me first of all do Roman 1 and 2. And for that guys, I have put some information here. So guys, we start off, and what we are going to do guys, I can draw something that I would represent tan half x. So let me draw a triangle, that is a right angle triangle that looks like this. So guys, this is my right angled triangle that I want to use. So guys, let's say that here we have a half x. This angle is a half x. That is the angle. And so guys, for that angle, we usually say that is supposed to be opposite over adjacent. And so therefore opposite, guys, we're going to give is t, and the adjacent we give it 1. So once we do that, guys, now this equation is fulfilled because we have tan a half x is equals to opposite, which is t, adjacent is 1. And so therefore, guys, we can find this side by using the Pythagoras theorem. And this side is going to come now to 1 squared plus t squared and then square root, like that. So guys, we can actually be able now to find the cos, that is cos a half x, guys, with that triangle, right angle triangle, we are going to get adjacent all over hypotenuse, which is square root of 1 plus t squared. Guys, now going to sine a half x, we are going to find it as opposite all over hypotenuse. So this is going to be t all over the hypotenuse. That is 1 plus t squared, like that. Guys, after we get that, I am going now to use this rule. We have this double angle formula, which looks like this. Sine 2x is given by 2 sin x cos x, like that. So guys, with this formula, we can come now and modify, because guys, we require half sin half x and cos a half x. So guys, we can modify this equation to read, instead of writing sin 2x, we can write here sin, that is sin x, like that. For sin x here, this one you get as 2. Remember that this is double of that. And so if we put x here, guys, now we are going to put here x all over 2. And here we put cos x all over 2, like that. And remember guys, that's why it's called a double angle formula. So if here we have x, here it becomes 2x. If we have x minus all over 2, here it becomes x. So guys, with that, here we have the value of sine raised to a half x and cos raised to a half x. So for us to find sine x, guys, we are going to now, sine x is now going to be given by 2 multiplied by sine x over 2 in terms of t is going to be that is t all over, that is square root of 1 plus t squared. We multiply that by now cos x over 2 in terms of t, that is 1 all over square root 1 plus t squared, like that. And so guys, we are going to find something like this. We shall have sine x equals to 2t, like that, all over. Now this is going to be, you multiply that and that means the square root sign will be removed, and so we have 1 plus t squared. And so guys, that is sine x in terms of t. And so guys, our answer for sine x becomes that. And now guys, we want to find cos x, that is cos x, as we see here. We find what is cos x for us. And so let me now continue guys from there. I can draw another triangle, right angle triangle there, and this right angle triangle, guys, I'm going to represent my information that is on sine x. So we can put x there, and we say sine x is opposite, which is 2t, all over hypotenuse, which is 1 plus t squared, like that. So guys, with that, we can look for adjacent. And for us to be able to get the adjacent, we also use Pythagoras theorem, which now we can say it's supposed now to be 1 plus t squared. We square that, guys, we square that. Now minus 2t squared. Guys, this is that side when we now look for the square root. So having that square root, guys, now we have our side, this adjacent. And now we know that cos x is supposed to be given by adjacent, which is this. So I write it there. Let me start with the t squared plus 1 squared minus 2t squared. I can work out that, which is 4t squared, all over the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse is 1 plus t squared, like that. So that's what we get for our cos x. So guys, we can work out that, try to simplify it. And so when we work out that, guys, we are going to have cos x gives us, we come and we can put still the square root. That square root we can put it still there. And then we can square that. So when we square that, guys, we shall have t squared plus, that is t raised to 4. Here we have 4. So that is 4 plus, this is now going to be 2t squared plus 1, and then we can extend that, minus 40 squared all over, guys, that one is going to be 1 plus t squared. And so therefore, guys, we are going to find this one as, we take away, we still write the square root. This is now going to be t raised to 4 minus this is supposed to be, I think we use this 2t squared minus 4t squared. This gives us now t4 raised to 4 minus 2t squared plus 1 all over, that is 1 plus t squared. Guys, we continue. So we shall have our cos x being equal to, guys, if we were to work out this, we will find it as, it will come to this, it will be t squared minus 1 squared. Then we can put now our square root there, and then we put our 1 plus t squared. And so guys, because of this square root, this square and the square root, everything, then guys, we are going to remove the square and the square root, and so it's going to be t squared minus 1 all over 1 plus t squared. And so guys, this is our solution. Guys, we shall look for this equation next time. For the next period, guys, we are going to check out on this equation. As of now, guys, time is far much spent, so let me edit there for this video. Thank you for listening to me, guys. So that is cos x, and here we have sine is here, that is sine x equals to 2t all over 1 plus t squared. Guys, see you as we now solve the equation.